Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create animated text in seconds on Canva. So if you want to make your text pop, bounce or fade like magic, Canva just made animated text easier than ever and you can do it in seconds. So what you need to do is just open canva.com or open the mobile app and then open your design, or you can also just choose a blank canvas to create from scratch. Then just add your text. So I've already add mine like this, and you can just apply the motion animations by selecting your text and tap on animate in the top toolbar here, and you can choose the animations that you want, such like for example this one, shift, lock, burst, roll. So there are lots of options that you can choose. For example, in here I'm going to just go with burst. Click on it, and in here you can choose the kind of animation. You can go with both, on enter only, or on exit. So you can also apply to more than one text if you want to. And you can also adjust the animation, the durations of, or the intensity of the animation. After that, you can just export your project by clicking on share, tap on download, and you can choose MP4 or GIF as the format. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.